how to force restart a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods to force restart a Chromebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So force restarting a Chromebook can fix issues such as it frozen or the screen's black, things like that. So the first and easiest way to force restart a Chromebook is to simply hold down the power button. And on my Chromebook, it's right up here in the top right, but it might be in the center or in the top left, something like that. And all you need to do is hold down the power button for around 10 seconds. You should see the screen turn off and the Chromebook turn off. And then you just hold down the power button again for around 3 to 5 seconds and it should turn back on. Now, if that doesn't work for you, we can do what's called a hard reset. And don't worry, this does not affect the files on your Chromebook. You just want to find the reset button, and that's going to be this one right there. It looks like a circle with an arrow. And we want to hold down both the reset button and the power button at the same time for around 10 seconds. You should see your screen turn off or the Chromebook turn off. Just hold that down for around 10 seconds, and then you can let go. And now just hold down the power button for around 2, 3, maybe 5 seconds until you see the Chromebook turn back on. Might take it a little bit after a hard reset, so don't worry if it takes it some time. This took it maybe 20 seconds. After a hard reset, it clears some cache, so that can take some extra time. But you can see it's turning back on, and I'll be able to log in and start using it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.